So this is another day, another adventure, or another location rather from Hidden India. We are off to a place somewhere in Mumbai. It's a hotel. We'll come to know eventually. But then, let me tell you, when we did the booking, the hotel was too courteous. They asked us whether we want a pre-check-in or we want a late checkout. They told us how we can do it. They were too good. Now we really need to see how much good their hospitality is when we actually reach there. And the name of the hotel, I'll tell you very soon. We are on the Worli Sea Link. So we are heading somewhere. The hotel is somewhere in South Mumbai. Just wondering where it is. In the meantime, enjoy the Sea Link. So we are still driving. We are at Nariman Point. You can get the view and keep guessing on the hotel. We'll catch you shortly there. So we are about to enter our destination. And we will take a turning from somewhere, because there has to be a turning. And here we are. That's the entrance to Trident. So we are at Trident. We enter the parking lot, Trident. We got ourselves checked, security, and we will have to drop the car here. Someone will carry it and we'll check in. So this is how we enter. So we go in. So that's the room, and they have decorated it for us. It's too good. They didn't allow us to do the shooting while we were checking in. So we could not do that on the lobby and in the check-in photo. But the room is too good. They have decorated it for us. And the view is absolutely mesmerizing from outside the window. It's too good. See, and then you have Malabar Hill across. Just too good. To show you around the bathroom, they have a bathtub. And see the amount of toiletries that they have. They have shower cap, they have dental kit, they have sanitary bags, they have the soap, and I am sure they have 2 bathrobes, and I am sure they will have, not been able to give a lot of things because of the current COVID situation. But the way it is kept and the way they approached us, the way they spoke, it's too hospitable. Absolutely. There are cookies. There are cookies here. Welcome cookies. And the sea across. The view is breathtaking. Too good. This room has 2 separate beds. We have taken 2 rooms, so this has 2 separate beds. You see the kind of detailing that has gone into. So there are 2 bottles here. There are 2 bottles there. Beds are separated. So nicely kept. There is this phone, music system, the lights, the lampshade, and the sea. They have been so thoughtful that they have given us the slippers also. Interesting to see. So you have these curtains. I push on the button and there, lo, curtain goes down. The curtain goes down. And you have full darkness inside the room. So the toiletries are here. Very thoughtful. You will use the toiletry only when you are taking the bath, which is in the bathtub. So it should be there. And it is there. Place for the ironing table. And you can place your shoes here in this shoe basket. So this is the cupboard. I open the cupboard here. And the first thing which catches your sight is the kettle. Below that, you have another rack which covers the fridge, which is stacked. It is just stacked. Stacked with Kingfisher, it's stacked with Sprite, and what you want, it's all there. This is another place where you can keep your clothes, laundries, which they will collect, and your luggage, maybe. And as you go down the shelves, each of them have been thoughtfully kept. These are the napkins. So in case you want to lay out the table in the evening, out here, you have it for you. The next one has the wine and the rum and the beer glasses. It's all there. And you have the cork opener also. Very thoughtful, very thoughtful. You know, I have traveled globally at so many places. I have really not found it so thoughtful anywhere. Then you have this munching, should I call it munching rack. And this rack is for us to fill up. This is the dinner table which is next to the bed. They had the napkin, so obviously the dinner table was somewhere there. You pull this and lo, your dinner table is ready. Setting sun from my room. Splendid view. And the Marine Drive, Governor's House that side, Malabar Hill, and possibly that side down towards Worli. That's the Girgaon Chowpatty. And the view of the setting sun. Splendid. The Chowpatty side on the setting sun. It gives me a feeling, you know, I am not in Mumbai, I am somewhere else. It's too good. It's really great. These are memories which you actually cherish. There's a lot of things, you know, which possibly you can't capture with your camera, but which comes up when you leave the place and go. It stays on. Now to show everyone the Queen's necklace. See the lights which glow across the Marine Drive. Through the room, as you walk down the hill, and the rooms are on your right and on your left, and the lifts are there, and you walk on. So Trident and Oberoi, they are connected. So I am going through the interconnection here. You see the paintings on the wall next to it. It gives you that authentic feeling and that old feeling. Antiques, collections, memorabilias, and this is the connection which takes us to the Oberoi. So this is Oberoi, and these are the Oberoi rooms. This is the early morning view. There's too much humidity droplets outside the window, but then you can see the shadow of the trident on the sea. Little below on the chrome red. And the other buildings shadows coming up. The area across the bay, Chopati, Malabar Hill. So we are at the pool side of Trident. I'm not sure if they allow us videography there because they had, some restrictions at some places. That's the view you get from the pool side. So that's an interconnecting path actually. They have made a memorial in memory of the incident which happened in 2008. So the memorial is here. There you can see that plaque out there. That's the entrance. That's the Air India building. And on this side is your Oberoi. That's the connection. This is the path, this is the connection, and you have a pool as you go down there. So lovely view. We had a lovely breakfast. I again didn't do the videography out there. I was not sure. But the breakfast was well laid out, very rich, and the quality of the food was very good. So this is another view from the rooftop, only for my vlog viewers. You can see the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel on the other side and the vast sea expanse on the other side. So we leave Trident after a day's fantastic stay. Right from the beginning till the end, it has been really fantastic. And as we leave the gates, we leave it with lots of memories, and we are on the streets of Nariman Point back.